morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Hugo. Today I'm going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came out, and pop out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate two pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate 1 chocolate cake, one ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of cheese, 1 lollipop, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, 1 slice of watermelon. That night he had a stomachache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate a nice green leaf. After that, he felt much better. Now he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore, and he wasn't hungry anymore. He's a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. He nibbled in a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning.